Today we're going to plug in the GPS sensor to the board. First thing you're going to do is take the yellow wire, and that's the data wire. You're going to plug that one into port D0 or port D1. They're already set up to run the GPS. Plug yellow in. Take the black wire, and that's ground. So your board has ground and 5 volts on it already. Red goes into 5 volts. Once you have those 3 wires plugged in, the GPS is ready to go. You're going to need to be near a window or outside to get the satellite signal. And next we're going to take a look at some of the coding that you need to get this to work and display the data. Once you have the GPS plugged in, you need to start coding in order to display the data. You'll have to include 2 files. One is serial32.h and the other is LCD text driver 32.h. You can download both of these from the Angel site and include them with your build. Once you have those 2 files included, you start your program. You need to initialize the contact with the GPS by using this command serial init. And if you go to the serial32.h file, you'll find a graph of what number you need to put in there. We're using 25. This will do 4800 baud. And the instructor will most likely tell you what number you need to use here. After that command, you're going to initialize the LCD screen with the LCD init command. And once those 2 are done, you can start outputting data. In this specific example, we set up an array, a char, C100, and that's going to allow us to take data and store it in order to display it. The first thing this is going to do is take the serial stream coming from the GPS and search for the character $. This marks the beginning of the stream because the GPS will send it circular over and over again. Once it finds the beginning of the stream, our next command is going to go through and choose which characters to display. This will be different depending on what kind of data you want. Look up in the book and it'll tell you a little more on how to do this. Finally, we go to the home of the LCD screen and we display the data that we want to show. You can use different commands, you can use different characters. You'll be able to see an example of the stream of data. You can choose to show the time, your location, your altitude. Like I said, look in the book and you'll be able to find more examples of what you can display. So you just need your includes, your initializes, and then you just format the data to display what you want it to.